Pull your lips in. Breathe in. Is that the first time you've ever done it? Look at her, look how happy she is. Look how unhappy she is. Let's do it again. Look at that. That's what happens when you step out of your comfort zone and you don't listen to your mind that's telling you this and that. Then you get to experience joy and feelings. Hold on a second. Joy and feelings that you haven't had. I challenge you. No matter, you see how you, that's fine. If it's more important for you, you get a choice right now.
I'll try it at home and I'll tell you how it went.
I don't care. I don't even care if you do it. I'm not getting paid when you're at home. You have a choice right now. Be right or be happy. Because right now you can't.
I am happy. I'm watching you guys and it's funny.
Okay, fine. I'm just making up a story about it. Okay?
Right, you make it up.
Is she really a happy person?
She might be, yeah.
She's like this. She's like, yeah, she's a happy person. All right, cool. All right. One more time. Breathe in. I'm going to believe you because you're very outgoing. Okay, cool. So go into this. Ready? One more time. If you didn't try it before, notice how happy she was. Notice how happy other people were. And here's your chance to do it again. And if you don't do it and your mind's just going blah, 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 how's that working? Because like I said, at 11 o'clock I'm out of here. Your mind's still going to be around you. Sorry. Okay, ready? Pull your lips in. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.